Oh, before you ever pick up a pair of scissors, preparation is your foundation. Your station must be spotless. Every tool in its place, sanitized and ready. Hygiene isn't optional, it's essential. Clean tools, fresh towels, and constant hand washing are non-negotiable. Clients notice everything. A single stray hair or dirty comb can destroy their trust instantly. Treat your workspace like a surgical theater. Your tools are your instruments, and they must be maintained and respected. Sharpen your scissors, oil your clippers, and keep your blow dryer clean. Have a setup and breakdown routine. Check your inventory before the day starts. Never run out of product mid-service. Preparation sets the tone for your day and shows clients you're a true professional. Walk into every appointment confident, knowing you're ready for anything. Never underestimate the power of being prepared. The consultation is where you win or lose a client. Don't rush it. Listen, make eye contact, and ask open-ended questions about their lifestyle and hair history. Dig deeper. What do they love or hate about their hair? What's their daily routine? When they show you a photo, ask what specifically appeals to them. Color, length, texture. Manage expectations honestly. If their dream look isn't realistic, explain the process, cost, and risks. Offer professional suggestions tailored to their face shape, hair type, and maintenance level. The consultation is about building trust and showing you see them as an individual. A thoughtful consultation creates loyalty. They'll return because they trust you, not just your skills. Don't treat this as a formality. It's the foundation of every great client relationship. Take your time. This is where your expertise shines. Never rush the consultation. Now it's time to deliver. Starting at the shampoo bowl, make it an experience-perfect water temperature, relaxing massage, and quality products. Use this moment to assess hair and scalp. Oily, dry, sensitive. Let it guide your service. Cutting is architecture. Precision matters. Clean sectioning, purposeful snips, and mastery of fundamentals like one-length cuts, graduation, and layering. Adapt to the hair's natural movement and texture. Visualize the end result before you cut. Color is both art and science. Know the color wheel, levels, and underlying pigments. Guesswork leads to disaster. Apply color methodically, keep sections clean, and record formulas for consistency. Stay updated. Techniques and products evolve constantly. The blow dry and finish are your client's first impression. Use the right tools and products to bring the look to life. Teach clients how to style at home. Empower them to maintain their look. A great cut and color mean nothing if the client can't recreate it. Your job isn't done until they feel confident every day. Mastery is in the details. Your education never ends. Complacency kills careers. Stay curious. Attend classes, watch tutorials, and invest in your growth. Learn to work with every hair type. Straight, curly, fine, or thick. Versatility makes you indispensable. Relationships are everything. Remember names, listen, and create a welcoming space. Trust and loyalty come from genuine connection, not just technical skill. Happy clients are your best marketing. Word of mouth is gold. Success is a blend of passion, professionalism, and persistence. Show up prepared, keep learning, and take pride in your work. Remember, you do more than hair. You boost confidence and change lives. Respect your craft and your clients, and you'll build a fulfilling career. Now get to work. Whoa,